Ye we me jo morning with ya. You're the pen with ya. Trembling, I ask, Atong, are you alive? Atong ti take. She replied, yes, Baba, we are alive. Hey, Baba, tako take. I immediately asked about her brothers, Majuk and Quote, and she told me they were with her. So I immediately ati, kadamor na Majuk and Quote tekenika, ya jo nyade tako kel kondake. Imagine how tribalism can make you destroy your own family and can make you swipe your family away. Let's go. When I asked where she was calling from, she said they were in the Unimis compound near the checkpoint. And checkpoint eh my the retin better thin cadet 17 cadet 18 with yal kana nuari tagat ke atong ka majuk ka quat tikereria ka checkpoint me kwena le na tin. She explained that our near neighbor had taken them together with his own children when the fighting reached Jebel Souk. Ya jo nyade me yikori shuka Jebel Souk jirandan me mi manuar ya konang kel ke gat ke ya konang ko POC ke checkpoint tako ko Unimis kel ke entedi anuari te konte ya larje e ji tiger kene jirande anuari gat ku ya kana anuari Kajan checkpoint ne ke o ya jo ya gat ku na nuari ka te nuari te ka mawar ka POC bi nuari wana ena yan checkpoint ne ya gat ke ya ka nang tine jirande so te gat ke te ka checkpoint ya ka nang jirandien me mo nuar kodi ko jirande ya ngaya te la gwandien ka te la mandien so ye gu yen nuara me on gatiti go ka yana gat ka ya gat to ya kan markel ka gat ke ya kanang ka POC mate ka bi ka kel ka gat ka POC kamaliu ka bi ka liu kel ka gat ka POC inuara mo ka gat to ka ban ping ya gat to ya kanang kel ka gat ko e janadi gar e gar ko ka gat de man te mo jirandi ente ka shinkel. Let's continue. Still sitting in that tree ngora ta nyura nika ngora ta nyura when I still sitting in that tree, I broke down and cried loudly. Ango tawigia. Anyo? Yaroda ya pinenjan wija, yaroda ya wija. Jane wieke jaw madung did. The place where I had been firing gun was exactly where my children were sheltering. Gwae boda tin kinian tin ko Dwaya Martin ko banana engine we are net gatka take tell right there. Along with the Nuer family that had protected them. So take a kanjan POC Dwaya Mike cadet 17 cadet 18 Ishik Nuara ka unwara mo ya gat ke la jirat ya kanang jen we are net gat ke teltin kel kanwar me kanang ka POC awana. I cast tribalism with all my heart, crying out, your tribalism, your beer, ka we medum deed. Tribalism, you almost made me kill my own children. Tribalism, you almost killed my children. Tribalism, you know de jaba gatka. Bakena. I climbed down, hid my gun, and went to the woman who had hosted my children. And you been penwidya, you mind your toe, and then you walk a ship, may God ka. Ika curve kel karode ka Unimis. We are there do a match cadet 17 cadet 18. I asked her to bring them to the gate. Yo Georgie nae gatiti nung nika nga turea ka nika turea ka POC. When they came out, may ka birar I took my children into my arms. Ya gat ka, ya ka kaf. Titi, ya gat ka, ya ka kaf titi ke. I had no words to express my gratitude to that family. Tell nga, riet, today larna shukran. Ka God, Kenyan shiga mo, may God ke family mo, may ya God ke, ya ke take. Immediately, I took my children to Rumbek. Nenjan gwa, ya God ke, ya ke nanka Rumbek. Knowing that Juba was no longer safe, that day, I came to a painful but important realization. Enyen guamo, you been, you tuoma babies. You teddy, you bangash, nenyen guamo. The Nuer people had no intention of killing anyone in South Sudan because of tribes. And Guamo yo bangasha oke Nueri fankien tilke intention tilke goro bana baka bana ka jube ken ka oken pankien maybe ka jang ke ka oke Equatoriani ke any tribe Nuer ke ye wiana mo ye bangasha oke Nueri tilke plan ko bana bana ke kuinguka ke kuidor eken pankien. Their aggressions was rooted in self-defense. Ken fankien gaya ga keke baye ke pointien odi ken gak na ken ko ganke na rodien ganke na rodien resisting domination and violence imposed against their will. Ken ganke na rodien ko kore did domination mea mar enated to one tribe ken a kur e a kwoke kaya noge ken. This experience forever changed my understanding of tribalism. Experience me ye wija ye ger ko tribalism baling adi hatred you tiel and the true cause of conflict kangu katwa tuka kor etwa ka kor ke Geneva Sudan. Through this testimony Kenyan testimony me it is imperative that global wars are fought out of misinformation. Kenyan testimony me lademe news no kono cordial ti towi mon ka tik tarke ke information may more information ka gwade guided by ignorance ken point ken corriti ke ignorance ko ke na to ka goreken of peace and power of control keno kane bom oba na gang ke go kane go. Take an example what is happening in US, in Israel and Iran war, as well as Ukraine-Russia war. Say no to tribalism. Ureme Shalje Apien Deng from Lake State. Ur Lake State. Message me and warun point ye bay along. Message me. Yenga penta karuwa. A message. Mirka wana yaro dien long a cuff swung. Min kwana ye. A message. nei tangwan te bi berar te ba to ba balareken en testimony kele me ya kamra me warga mashankel runga ko ba kwen ka museum mo asa Sudan wa museum wa waledi wa museum wa la ejinubin warga me runga ko ba kwen ka bana ba print ka ba gor e marung ko de kwen ka museum ko testimony may na liutem iya warga ba warga malak to nu de ka mani shangte to ka kur e shangte to ka kur ya ka matin ka ya balar kon jan fonde ya nuori ya kana ga na nuori ya nuori na ko jan fonde gore ba nuori be kana naga nuori ko ya loje ya ngangar ka ya nyos je o gat ku ya kana ka ni na gat ku kana kana iti ka na iti ya gat ku na kan fanke na ina ben ay bale so warga me ya warga matot nyani anajo nzama tane ka spiritual awakening tina jina nyos kana twa zama tuka ko birama moran ke riem ka moran ka twa ka ngot kut ka ya sha twa kut be twa bela ko tela nuor made ga jani na ako jan lakini ane wonen ya ga nuora ya man nuora ya ka ngor ka jube ko ken pankien ake nuori warga me nyu de ne nuora nga nuora ran ke riem nuor lusa kot ka nuor me ya mar ye ne je ya mar ya dek en nuor fonde en warga ne nyu de ka nuor shola garagar kwela garnika nuora jana gargar en je ne shik nuora me mo jiran urjanga me shola tiene me yo ibe ya gat ka ya kanang kel ka gad janga mo jiran mo ya gad kanang ko mo gad ka wate bi gad wura mo bi ka te kel ka gad ke ka mo gad ka waliu bi gad ne ni to gad wura mo bi ka te kel ka gad ke yene me ka gad wura me shola tiene ka ka luenga shik nuoro ko ken fanke na ka gad jani ka kaka berba kaka naba ya ko ken fanken yukut ya kagang ko ne ma ya dua ya gwandien me ya dua POC ka gad ka jai ko kut gor le be nyol je o ken fanken ne ti nyin ka shondien yike nyin ka riara tela ria me gad ka je ya non gad ke ya kanang na rumbek wen da afrejete ko mo konta ne ke to warga me warga marung ko ba ko wini ba to ko warga teka mala tua o tua in 2013 ya nuori ya kena door to door tuk duel ko ken panke na ke dor ma shole noir thank you warga me a testimony dum 2013 teka warga me anyo gore nyal ma shole abuk Idris Kamis ya me shole abuk Idris Kamis gore je ke shanga jandareu ka pai ngwan 2026 atana tine gore ke de 20 ka April 2026 the title of the message ya gore di heartbreaking message enyen title ya gore heartbreaking message gore je ke de 20 ka pai ngwan 2026 shal ke je abuk Idris Kamis rami warga ga me ya gore bane warga kwe kena na warga getu I am tired of burying our own yeshu ka kwen ne niko I am disappointed in this cycle that keeps sending my brothers and uncles to die in Akobo yi loja ye jia kaya ga along kodi ga kesa kole me nang gwaleni ke demari Kenarika ne shanko ken panken bika waliuka akobo. In Nuerland for what? What can liu roll nuara and woo me waliu ke roll nuara. In what land? In Nuerland for what? Theme Nanka guangan ni loje ye kenaga menak kenangu kenanga menang kenadamarika nang kenang kolika nang kekor kobi kawaliuka akobo roll nuara moon nuara kawu. Why? So ye ana waka liwe anguma waliuka ke roll nuara ka akobo and the money. My grandfather was taken by this same system. Guadong yanang Kenyan system me. Now my uncle entered the Nara, a marine who gave 15 years out of his life to this country. Nara mama marine mayrun kadawal die yakatof Kenyan dore ko ya dora moyele reka karunda wal die is gone too. Manigenba Yelenekie. Killed on the front line while serving a government that wouldn't even say his name. Yeweyana Kakui Kume Nashode Ya belong a ladaken. Yewe Yelena Luba Yelena Walk a woman Kume and you wake a Kume Nashode and find there and then grandfather demo ya shode ya biti meken yewe ye liu ke liama na shode fonde ya bingash enyen kume. He killed on the front line while serving a government that wouldn't even say his name. What are we sacrificing our sons for? Kwana God kon kwana ke sacrifice ke mu kerode nyoti wona ye we waka liu rol nuora alanga no we liu ke ka akobo rol nuora liu ke mu kerode be nyoti nyo e odi. What are we sacrificing our sons for? Enwu kwana God kon kwana ke sacrifice ke mu. For peace we never see. Kamal makako milnen. Yetie. Yewe angu kwanda God can sacrifice ke yeah. For peace we never see. Kamal makane milnen. For leaders who sleep safely in Juba while our families collect bodies. Kakui kume. Mote toya ke jube. Temala toya ke kamal ke jube. Because families bana pangan kon bana ka ba collect. So en kume tet logic o te nin gwam go ka jube lakin kon kwana receive na pangan bishop showde be receive na poinde be randa man be receive na poinde be ran shik be receive na point gade ko point ke te liu lakin tanken bom point ti ka lunjo show ke riaw ka do do. When will the government in Juba feel what we feel? And in be kume minteka Juba be feeling minteka ko be feel. So shiga me message the tianga ke tiini message the tiini to go ba loje lakin ba loje nga. When will they answer for the widows? And to ba Manjoni baka loy toga ken ke baka rir ene ba manjoni baka rir ken. The orphans gati gwanikia liu baka rir ken nai. The empty chairs at dinner ke kwarsie dial tin teonga gwal te kwa palile pal Paline ni ti liu ti kwa la pal ke te korsie kien bang ko ken pan kien en nei ti pal kien ka koin a ken nei ti pal ka palien Kodi. Empty chairs mi lude. Odi. Telke ngu. Telke kwa ma ya kunya ken. Telke garma ya gwefing. Sorry. Telke gwandi en ma ya gwefing. So ken ke empty chairs. Ke kwa sieta te jikien. Palka pali. Tele mun ma ya gwefing ya ken jo duelien. Mun neni. Randien me yiliu me ya kula kunya ken. De pal kula pal. So jana palke. Then empty chairs at dinner. Ko tel ramade kwen rama iliu ka kia nene ya konjo duel de luanga sham. Before we send one more them to die for nothing. And what? Kako neite kong ke gata kong te bako ja te biwa liu ka lia lora. Rest in peace, uncle. Your service was real. You will live ni kamal. Nara. Your service was real. Ladu. Kan alarmatua. Even if your country fail you. 1 minute. Ajana live ni kamal nara. Young men. Yidoru. Weidu. Yeah, you fail. And to those in power, our silence is finished. Beda. You will all send our best men to die in wars we did not start. Jahe uniko ti bombom ko bika wali ukor makakatuwa kon. For leaders who do not bleed with us, a money ka kwarta iriam dien ye loin kel ke riam da. When will it stop? The tour anay. Jen bashwong anay. When will Juba feel the weight of the mothers? Ene yenimbi Juba betiao mangan beje. Ke betiao manigan beje. Wives men bi Juba bebei betiao men tiagat kena beje ne. The children left behind with nothing but griefs and empty promises. God can neni ti liu. Ti gwani kien liu. Ti abanjo ka odi wike. Ka baylo ay madungdi. Kene empty promises. Promise ni ti akamke. Ti abi fulfill. Promise ni kaini. We need to think twice. Ejena kon gorne bane sharareo. We need an urgent conversation as a community. Gorne bane roi elajidwar. As a nation elaway. Because if service mean death, ko ma la lo de nalia, and our families mean nothing to those in power. Ka shenkon tilke lor ka kuma motetino. Then what exactly are we fighting for? The nangu menyenyo kon an interne jan foinde angu an interne. Rest in peace, my uncle. Your blood is on the hands of a system that must answer to us all. Iwe toini kamal lonera riamdu teteti kume kan kume jen foinde bedi larko. Iwe hashtag South Sudan, hashtag Akobo, hashtag justice for our soldiers. Shalje Abuk Idris Kamis. And wukwen na reutiti. Wargani da reutiti. Wargani da reutiti ke wargani testimony. To Shankel and warga me yo mer warga indon ko ken pankien. Shankel mo South Sudan wo ba ke kwen ka museum ka South Sudan. Ko nyu da na shuang. O nuori ken pankien. Wa wadaf na ka dorian ka kobo. Yene me aka wadaf ka Nasser, ya ka wadaf ka Fangak, ya ka wadaf ka Ulang, ya ka daf bani dial wa wadaf na nuori na dorian. Awar gani ti nyos ke shuanga ken kel nyu de 2013 o nuori ken pankien ko kana ke kur ka gang kana rodien ke nuor ke goradi abanana ko man naga na janga ne da ne nuor ke 2013 de gad jani dan jok to atong ka majuk ka kwat de kana ashik nuora ka wu nuora me la shawshik nuora mo me gad ke kana ka unimis ba te ka nuori ta wante tin te de lojen gaba ko gata to ke gad jani de kana ken lakin ko nuori ter no gad nuora jana garagar ka nuor ter na shuang so wargani titi ke wargani te kelwar Reiteka in Sudan. Facebook matinatino take information tinyin one te kwenka tin. Biramay loja yang wang beben beraitin. Ramagor shum beben beraitin. Biramagor bitwa belar beben beraitin. Biramarier bamade nate doran beben ba belar. So wargani titi baka kaf kel karoda. Ka kena ka Facebook. Kodi kenyin teka ka kenyin shunga wargani ti dare di bas nyos ke je ken on wor ken panken teka ka shunga kori dial teka ke ko yetie angu waliu kan gat ken ka kobo rol nuoramo take a message me gor warun we fought once and had a nation. Yana nyenya kel, yana dorje. Now we are dying again, tell us. And tedi liao konyo, what is the reward this time? And nguma ba ko jil tedi, me liwa kome. Kome yako liwa la, yako weje. So na idialte liu, yika liu tetlo jen, ko kan panken liu ka ko ba dur ba je. So lia edan, bana we riem edan yiwo, yiriem yawo ko, idora yako yijikaria lakini ntedi lare yako anguma bako je kelia me kule liwa commented this time so katuka wainie wene we fought once and had a nation now we are dying again tell us what is the reward this time and also we want peace. We want answers. We want a future. Stop tribalism war. Our youth are dying. Our future is bleeding. Who will remain to enjoy the resources of South Sudan if you finish us? Who will eat our resources as South Sudanese? We want the government in Juba to let us know the rewards that we will get. So that a widow that her husband have been killed will go and collect the rewards of her husband's death. A child who have remained orphans will go to the government and collect the rewards of their parents. And a mother will also go to the government to collect a reward of a child. We want to know the rewards of this killing, of this tribal war that you are turning South Sudanese to. Because the 21 years of war that we had gave us South Sudan, nobody even will complain. Why? Because those people gave their lives fighting for South Sudan as a country. Now, we got independence in 2011, 9th of July 2011. Everybody is happy. When that day came, we remember all the South Sudanese that died because they gave us a nation called South Sudan. But now, what are we fighting for? Is it also another liberation that we are fighting for? Or what are we fighting for? Anganane. Lia liu kana wala liu na kodi. Liu na because we were fighting nying na ko bador baji. Yang iran liu kenye nedan. Bana ngasho gor kana doreken. May siya nga bangwan kapay baro shub 20 any ruwana mo bana timo ruwan tore me jeke keriyam. For 13 years, President Kiir denied South Sudanese their right of celebrating independence. From 2013 up to today, 13 years South Sudanese never celebrated their independence. So he denied us our celebration. He denied us the blood of our South Sudanese that sacrificed their life for 21 years. He denied us for 13 years. So that we don't celebrate our South Sudanese that died for that country. Why did President Kiir not celebrate the independence? Because he doesn't want us to remember our people that died. He wants us to continue killing each other so that he can continue to be in power. Anytime a leader tries to correct him, he will either arrest him, kill him, or that leader will run to exile. I am here to warn some leaders. Mama Rebecca is the first person I'm here to warn. My message to you, Mama Rebecca, is this way. You have been singing too much, and you have been singing songs without action. South Sudanese are dying. It's practical. You can say, this number died in this particular part of South Sudan. If you really truly mean that President Museveni have been the one killing the Nuer people, if you truly mean when you are saying that you people have failed the generation and have failed South Sudan and have failed the Matthias, resign from tonight and we will know that for sure you mean what you said yesterday or what you have been saying in all these videos, in all these interviews. If not, shut up and close your mouth, and we are tired of hearing your words in every social media page. It's either in SS24, it's either in iRadio, it's either in Hot in Juba, it's all over. It's like you are laughing at us. Because practically, South Sudanese are dying. And you want to feed us with words? Resign and let the government of South Sudan put you under house arrest. We will know that you as a father, a mother, because you are representing Dr. John Garang's position and you are representing the mother of the nation. If you don't know what this means, Mama Rebecca, stop talking, close your mouth and eat your money and your position quietly. If you mean it that for sure Dr. John fought for this, then you have to prove to South Sudanese for sure that you mean that you have failed the country. If you don't know, South Sudanese are seeing that Dr. John is alive through you, Mama Rebecca. If you forgot, I'm here to remind you that South Sudanese are seeing you. When South Sudanese are appreciating you, they are not appreciating you. They are appreciating Dr. John because they are seeing Dr. John through you. It's not because you have 2 ranks or you are too good. No, we are seeing Dr. John through you. So don't laugh at us South Sudanese. If you truly mean that you have failed the nation, resign from tonight. And we will believe when they put you under house arrest, we will know the pain you are going through is the same pain that the mothers that lost their sons and their daughters, and those who lost their husbands, and the children that lost their fathers, who have remained orphans, and those who have remained widows, and the women that remain childless, you will be mourning with them, not on social media with words. Mama Rebecca. The second person I'm sending this message to is General Kwal Manyang Jur, the advisor to the president. Don't come and tell us to eat dogs, like you said, and you are even proud about it, that you are saying you cannot apologize, that South Sudanese are discussing it, they're debating. It's because we see you, we thought you fought for South Sudan. So your daughter also came out and abused us that we should back our South Sudanese. Ooh, 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 like dogs. She said when the dogs are barking, the camel continue moving. That's what she says. So to her, she's the camel, and to us, we are dogs. But remember, she's also equally a South Sudanese. So when we are barking, she's also barking with us. And the position she's sitting in is South Sudanese position. South Sudan is our country as the citizen of South Sudan. You need to remember that when you want to say you have failed, we want to see through resignation, resigning, leaving government position. That is the only time we can believe actually South Sudanese means. These leaders that are backing on social media and saying this and that really mean it by resigning. Because South Sudanese are dying practically to a level of the spokesperson for SSPDF and the government cannot come and tell us how many people died in Akobo. They cannot tell us how many people died in Jonglei this year. They cannot tell us how many people died in Pajut. They cannot tell us any people that died in Kurkultan, in Abinom, in Nasser, in Ulang, in Akobo, in every part of South Sudan. They cannot tell us because they don't know. They only know the few pounds they are looting, the resources they are looting, the percentage they get. But these things are not permanent. Those positions are not going to be there permanently. And as much as South Sudanese are dying, they are crying, even if you are enjoying with V8s and everything, remember, your generations will feel the same. Karma is real. And karma come and take. Karma doesn't have negotiation. Karma doesn't have negotiation. In where they say, Malarima jia laria karo, kalarima gwa laria karo, shaf jia, da jia na one day. Karma doesn't have negotiation. When the time of karma comes, karma take. So whatever you do today, it will be harvested by your generations. So we are not worried much. But we need to know that South Sudanese, Nuer, Dinka, Equatoria, Shiluk, any South Sudanese, we are all in this together. We are all in this together. Nuer have been burying since 2013 from that message of that man. Nuer have been burying their children, their husbands, their wives. But also, the lead continue. Dinkas also have been burying. Shiluk have been burying. Equatoria have been burying. South Sudanese have been burying. So, what does that mean? We are in this together. The government doesn't belong to anybody. The government doesn't care about you. The government care about themselves, their children, and their power. So anything that will keep their power in, Just like now, South Sudanese are still being transported to Lokwangale in Pebor so that they can go and die more in Akobo. And for sure, when you arrive in Akobo, you will die because that is their land. They will kill you because that is their land. So, because when you are sent to Akobo, what are you going to bring in Akobo? Are you going to bring peace to Akobo? Have you ever asked yourself, what are you going to do in Akobo? As a soldier, I want you to ask yourself this question. If I die in Akobo, what rewards will my family get? If I die in Akobo, how will my family get my bones? And how? Ask question, what will my children receive? I said before, it's better to be a hero for your mother seeing you as a son, for your wife seeing I have a husband, and for a child to have a father. That is the kind of heroes we want now in South Sudan, because we already brought South Sudan as a country. We are not fighting for anything again. The government is fighting to keep their positions in power, so you have to die. This is a useless death, because we will not remember you with happiness. The people that will remember with happiness are those that died because of the independence. But those who are dying in Akobo now, we will remember them with pain, because you are sent to go kill innocent people in their land so that President Salva Kiir can continue to keep his kingdomship with his children and his individual few people that he have collected, so that they can continue to enjoy and celebrate. And that's why you see every time they have retreats, every time they have breakfast, but you that are, even your children died, as this lady said, even her uncle's name will not be mentioned by the government. They don't even know her uncle's name. They cannot mention. Why? Because they don't care about them. They only care about their power. And power go and come. It's a season, it's generations. I want to leave you with one question. If Dr. Riek really is the devil South Sudan have, why are we dying even more now that he has been under house arrest? Why is he dying? If the government actually is after Dr. Riek, they have Dr. Riek in Juba, in their custody. Why are we dying as South Sudanese? And if Dr. Riek is really bad, why are they jailing him? That means then Dr. Riek is not bad. So they arrest Dr. Riek so that they can continue to kill us. We have to wake up. Why are we dying now and Dr. Riek is in Juba if they are after Dr. Riek? He's in prison. He has been in prison since 26 March 2025. Why? 1 year and 1 month and few days. He's in prison. Why are we dying? If Dr. Riek is the devil in South Sudan, why are you burying your children now and Dr. Riek have been put under house arrest by the government? Dr. Riek doesn't communicate on phone. They took his phones, he took everything. Or Dr. Riek is a spirit that is continuing these wars. Dr. Riek is not. Dr. Riek is fighting for South Sudanese. And now we have known only someone that tribalism still control their hearts is the person that still see Dr. Riek as the person that have been destroying South Sudan. He gave everybody a space to see clearly that is not the problem. And for sure, is not the problem. The problem is outside with us. But only, it's up to you. Continue sending your son to die in Akobo. Continue sending your husband to die in Akobo. It will be you who will not have a body to bury. You will only think maybe your son died or your husband died or your father died, but you will not confirm. You will not even receive their body to bury. So you will always in the newer you will always be thinking maybe one day your husband will appear or your son will appear. Kumbe they died long time. Imagine something you can prevent. Why are they going to Akobo? For what? Since then that they have been in SSPDF, what have you received? What have you eaten? What have you enjoyed? From that story of a Tien, Nuer never wanted to kill anybody. And up to today, Nuer, even the one they capture, they don't kill them. They send them back to their families. Because that's not their intention. But the one that killed them, they also killed them. So it's up to you. Continue to bury your children in the name of tribalism that we must fight Nuer, we must fight Nuer. Let me tell you, even the Nuer generals that are in Juba with you, when they are together on their own, they say, they even know the Nuer in Juba that are with the government knows that the government will not manage to fight the Nuer war. They know. If you have a Nuer who is best friend in the government, as a Dinka, go and ask them. They will tell you the truth that this government will not win this war. You will continue finishing. The Nuer will continue finishing, but the government will not win this war. And also the Nuer will not win the war either, because it will be a drama. Today, the Nuer take it. Tomorrow, the Dinka take it. Tomorrow, because these are the true people that are fighting. So it's up to you. Good luck. If you want to continue burying your children, good luck to you. If you want to save your children, good luck to you too. Bye-bye. But our South Sudan is our country, all of us. 64 tribes. And the Nubians are, the people of Blue Nile are part of South Sudan. One day they will come back. So the 64, you need to live. You need to learn how to live with each other, so that when the people of the Blue Nile come and the people of the Nubians come back home, you will welcome them well, but not with tribalism. And lastly, I forgot to say this. When you're pushing us to election, this election you're pushing South Sudanese to is like two men that one of them found the other one sleeping with his wife, and you put them in a room and you want them to make peace. They will never make peace. They will kill each other. That is how we are now. What we need as South Sudanese is not election. No, what we need is reconciliation, is trauma healing, is peace. We need to coexist before we talk about election. Let me say it in Nuer language. Anganane. Katantike, Kador, Kajineva Sudan and Teddy. Shadaje, Keur, may Wurma dong je, Colishade. Make up Quagray Duen, Baradiana. So go about mal by your talk about Camden, and they took on. But I mean to pay, by mal, Kulalar, Quidian, or Dick, Maradi. Kobirame, you dare let the shoal, the sugar me shoal, Kabirame, the engine tantic a con. Kendo, I love you all. South Sudan forever.